Hello everyone, this is Gogri, the best video assistant out there. Excuse her, sometimes she gets a bit overexcited, but she will be helping me to tell a few things about fountain pens. Every fountain pen has a lot of physics going around inside, which we forget to notice. Even the smallest part has its own unique use, but as we have less time, we will be only talking about capillarity. So capillarity is the tendency of a liquid in a capillary tube or absorbent material to rise or fall as a result of surface tension. It was first observed by Leonardo da Vinci. So why does a ink flow from a fountain pen? Well, capillarity is the reason. But for capillarity to occur, surface tension plays an important role. Now Professor Binoz will continue from here, because physics is about to get dangerous. Disclaimer, please watch at your own risk. Surface tension is a property of a surface of a liquid to form an elastic sheet at a boundary with the surrounding material, made by solid or gaseous. It determines the degree and style of contact with other materials. Its reaction also applies to vertical or sloped surfaces. This spreading of liquid skin causes rise or suppression of liquid between two plates with narrow enough distance. This causes the capillarity action. Capillary is the object from which the ink reaches the nib. People think that capillaries are round pipes, but they can be of any cross section as long as the liquid combined with the metal properties causes it to rise or fall. This thing is too complex for me. Let me transform into my super form. This is much better. Now let's see an awesome graph which tells us how the diameter of the capillary affects the height. After calculating, I got this equation. Too much calculation these days. Let's talk about some weird properties. I am going to show you a magical image. Tell me what you observe. Did you all observe anything? That image shows the influence of the width of the diameter of the capillary. The magical thing is that the rise edge does not change when the capillary is tilted. In the earlier diagram, one could say that the rise in the thin tube is higher because of the smaller cross-section area, and the rise in the tube 2 is less because of larger cross-section area, as the air pressure causes less force pushing against the capillary force of the liquid. But this reason is completely wrong. The air pressure is constant all over the arrangement. Comparing two capillaries with one being twice as thick, the surface area doubles, and so does the surface action to support the liquid column. However, the volume and therefore the weight quadruples. Therefore, the rise reduces as shown because the weight grows by the square of radius. Thank you.